How to increase your penis size. Wanting to know how to increase penis size is common. Knowing how to is very rare. The ability to increase the size of your penis can give you a huge advantage in the game of love. Not only that, but it will increase your confidence in virtually every social situation. If you know that you're better than virtually every lover out there, you have something that most people can't emulate. Knowing how to increase penis size will unlock the door to a bigger, better you. I am here to tell you exactly what you need to do to make your penis bigger by 2-4, so that whenever you find yourself in bed with a woman, you blow her mind and take her to heights of pleasure she never thought possible. Does this sound cool? Well, go on. How to increase penis size the right way. To really get a bigger penis, you need to understand that there is right way and a wrong way to make it grow. Some people honestly believe, sadly, that using a pump or an extender will cause long-term gains. Extenders have been proven to cause no gains whatsoever. The science claims that these companies make are faked. I want you to consider this. When you were going through puberty, your penis grew without any conscious assistance. You didn't need to perform exercises, weights, or to take pills, to use pumps or extenders. You certainly didn't need penis surgery. What actually happened was that your penis grew because there were biochemicals in your body which made your penis grow naturally. They reacted with the receptors in your penis, and each reaction caused a little more growth. How to increase penis size? Biochemicals explained. These biochemicals were produced by chain reactions which took place in the body. They boosted your penis length and girth without any effort from you. However, when you reached manhood, and puberty came to an end, the body stopped the chain reaction. This meant that your penis stopped growing naturally. There is a simple way to get the penis to grow again, by tricking the body into restarting the chain reaction. How to increase penis size naturally. The trick to real penis enlargement is to restart these chain reactions. The Penis Enlargement Bible shows you exactly how to do this, and the results are choosing exactly how you make your penis bigger. Following this advice, you will increase penis length and increase penis girth. The guide is focused on telling you exactly how to increase your penis size. To actually make your penis bigger, you need to avoid the scams that don't work and that don't even make sense, and in their place you should restart the enlargement that made your penis grow in the first place. Natural enlargement. Start to learn how to increase penis size today and you'll soon be bigger and better than any other guy you meet.